Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my thoughts on the new Clarisonic Mia Fit, comparing it with the old Clarisonic Mia 2. Also, I will be sharing my thoughts on why I prefer Clarisonic over Foreo Luna. So if this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to share with you a quick unboxing of this Clarisonic Mia Fit. I know this is not really that new because it has been around the market for like 2 years, but it's the first time that I've tried it in the past week, so let me just share with you the unboxing. Okay, so last December, Clarisonic announced a flash deal on Amazon. So they actually sold this Clarisonic Mia Fit or the Clarisonic 3 for only $150+. So it was only sold for $156, including na yung tax, for only 4 hours for December 23. Buti na lang I was awake that time and I was able to grab the deal. It was sold via Amazon. The original price of the Clarisonic Mia 3 or the Mia Fit is $219. So we get to save a lot of money. That's like 6,000 pesos converted of savings. And of course, I grabbed the deal. Kasi turns out at $156, mas mura pa siya than your Clarisonic Mia 2. Since my Mia 2 broke down a couple of months back, matagal na hindi naka-Clarisonic. You would really miss if you've been using Clarisonic for years tapos nawala siya sa skin mo. You'd really notice the difference. I noticed that when I use Clarisonic, mas malinis yung skin ko, mas konti yung whiteheads and blackheads. So I really love using my Clarisonic. And since it broke down, nalalaglag kasi siya ng cuts ko. Buti na lang there was a flash deal and I was able to get the new Mia Fit for less than the price of the Mia 2. This one arrived in a special Christmas package. And what I noticed from comparing it to the original Mia Fit package, yung Mia Fit package meron siyang wall adapter. Yung etong Christmas package wala. It came only with this USB charger, which is fine, pero alam mo nagbawas na siya ng value in the original packaging. So the wall charger is actually about $9. Aside from that, tinanggal din yung free na facial cleanser, so that's about $20. So $30 yung nawala, but the savings you get from the flash deal is about, kung $219 minus, that's about $70. So medyo marami pa rin yung savings. I haven't really fully charged this since getting it, so ginamit ko pa lang yung parang factory charge niya, and this morning it died down on me. So hindi ko siya nagamit this morning. I was able to use this for about 3 cycles or 3 to 4 times before it died down. I also did a little research upon receiving it, and most of the people's feedback are saying na medyo faulty yung battery niya. So as compared to the Mia 2, which lasted for siguro 3 years with me, the Mia Fit can sometimes last you for about a year or less because of the faulty battery. The good thing about it is that Clarisonic actually replaces your Mia if it comes out faulty. So parang pag nasira siya in less than the warranty period, this one actually has a 3-year warranty period. So okay naman. So if it goes down or nawala yung battery niya or hindi na siya nag-function within that 3 years warranty period, you can actually file for complaint and they will replace it with another Mia, or they sometimes upgrade it to the smart profile. So all in all, I think it's a good deal. The difference is pretty big. If you buy it in peso in its original price, that's around 11K, 11 grand. But because of the savings, I was only able to get this for about 6 grand to 8 grand more or less. So it's really cheap. It comes with the radiance brush na before binibili ko pa kasi the Mia only came with this one, yung Deep Core and all the others. And then it also came with the foundation brush, which I haven't really tried. And I don't really plan on using that. I only plan to use this for cleansing my face. And I'm really happy kasi the first time I use it again, so after a long time nawala yung Clarisonic in my routine, and then going back again, using or making it part of my routine again, you can really notice na your blackheads mas mabilis siyang matatanggal. Parang it sits on top of your nose na parang pag ganun mo matatanggal na kagad. And you know that it's really effective. You know that really helps deep cleansing your face kasi the deep-seated oils and sebum and blackheads are coming off on top and mas mabilis siyang matanggal. So I'm really happy about that. Now, comparing this with the old Mia 2, I feel like I like the ergonomics of the Mia 2 better kasi parang mas okay siyang hawakan as compared to this na bullet form. Also, mas gusto ko yung buttons nito kasi it's a little elevated than this. Medyo mas mahirap siyang pindutin, especially if your hands are a little wet. It's a little slippery. But what's good about the Mia Fit is that it's in a bullet form. So, if you're packing it for traveling, mas compact siya. Mas mabilis mo siyang masingit in parts of your luggage as compared to this. I find this very space-taking. But the functions are very similar. The plus and minus, there are only 2 speeds for both, on and off button. That's the difference, the shape. Pero yung brush mo naman are the same. I think the battery can last for also more or less the same period. And I also noticed na yung Mia 2 ngayon came with the USB charger, hindi na yung ganito. So, the new Mia 2 comes with the USB charger na parang pareho sa ganito. So, you can plug it in any USB port. Both of them still uses the magnetic technology to charge your device, so it's waterproof. Everything is waterproof. You can actually bring this in the shower to cleanse your face. That's what I normally do. You can also buy the body brushes attachment, so you can also use Clarisonic on your body. So comparing Clarisonic with the Foreo Luna, I prefer Clarisonic because I like the idea that you can actually replace the brushes whenever it's needed. So you are advised to replace your brushes every 3 months. And it's ideal to do that kasi parang toothbrush, you have to replace your toothbrush every 6 months. Ganun din yung sa Clarisonic. Since you're using it on your face and it's normally exposed, dapat pinapalitan mo siya. That's the edge I like over Foreo Luna because Foreo Luna is not replaceable. So you get to use it over and over in your lifetime, which doesn't really sit well for me. Mas gusto ko yung napapalitan siya, so it's really brand new and everything. I know you can sterilize Foreo Luna. I know you can sterilize this as well, but the thought of you replacing it into a brand new one is just better. Parang, just like your brushes. Just like your toothbrush. You would prefer that you can replace your toothbrush than using a device that you can use forever. Now, for those who are saying na mas cost-friendly yung Foreo, I understand where you're coming from, but the brushes are really actually cheaper now. There's a new package of Clarisonic that you can buy brushes for $75 or $80 for 4 na. Before, each brush is about $26 or $30. So, it's cheaper now. And you only get to replace it maybe 4 times a year or twice a year if you want to extend it parang every 6 months. That would be okay too. But just replace it, at least twice a year. Anyway, Clarisonic is not really a new thing. I'm sure we've heard a lot about this in the past maybe 5 to 8 years. I've used my Clarisonic since I think 2013 or 2014. And I know that it really benefits my skin. I feel that my skin is cleaner. That when I use my Clarisonic, I feel that it gets rid of all the foundation that's left on my skin. And it helps me make sure na walang natitirang debris. Because mostly the problems that you get with your skin is because of remnants ng mga cosmetics na naiiwan sa skin mo. So for you to have great skin, it's important that you can cleanse your skin thoroughly without stripping away the moisture barriers. So using your Clarisonic with a good facial cleanser is really good for your skin, or it's a really good addition to your beauty routine. How about you? Do you prefer the Clarisonic Mia Fit or do you prefer the Mia 2? Don't forget to share it with me through the comments below. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!